The Vailikey key fob remote replacement offers a reliable way to restore full keyless entry and remote locking functions to compatible Lexus RX models without needing an original remote. Each fob arrives fully assembled with an installed battery and has been tested before shipping, so it works immediately once it is properly programmed. The shell and buttons feel solid and responsive, giving the impression of a durable replacement that can handle daily use on a key ring or in a pocket. Although the programming process can be intricate, clear instructions and widely available online guides make it realistic for many owners to handle at home, with locksmiths as a backup option. The pack of 2 remotes is especially convenient for households that share a vehicle or want an immediate spare in case one key is misplaced. This replacement set is also a thoughtful gift for someone who drives a compatible Lexus and has been struggling with a worn, unreliable, or missing factory remote.